Hi, ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, okay.
Hi, welcome back to Family and Fit, where we talk fitness and how to integrate it in your busy lifestyle. Welcome to Poverty Meal Prep. We're about to start the new series 2019 edition. If you've been subscribed to the channel for a little bit, then you've seen some of our other Poverty Meal Prep videos, maybe possibly. If not, well, then you're not watching enough of our videos. But this year, we're going to crush it. This year, it's going to be so much better. We're going to be more informative, try to cut the videos down a little bit shorter. I don't know how exactly we're going to go about doing that.
Because he likes to talk a lot.
Because, yeah, I like to talk a lot. And it takes a long time to cook some food sometimes. But, hey, it is what it is.
Another gal, the gal was here yesterday, she mentioned the banner out there.
Yeah.
She said, that's good advertisement. She said, because I see that all the time.
Oh.
Oh, look at us.
And Ashley Brad said that too.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that guy that fucking knows everything seems to know a lot.
I hate you. Come on, you're killing the vibe.
Okay, killing the vibe. So, you probably just seen Granny. You probably hear Granny in the background right now. I mean, look at her. Just running the videos. Running them. No, I'm just kidding. But that's our Granny. She lives with us. You may have met Granny in some of the other vlogs. She's only in a couple videos just because, I don't know why. We don't vlog too often much. We're going to start. But yeah, we're always upgrading the channel. Always trying to improve things. So we're going to start this 2019 with a new edition. So this is kind of an indirect improvement to the channel. And I'll go ahead and let you guys know what it is. See that right there? That thing with a big old hole in it? Yeah, there's somebody that I know, maybe standing very near to me, maybe very dear to me, to my heart, may or may not have set a glass pan on the glass stovetop and shattered it.
She's a blonde, too.
So Axe is going to go ahead and install us a new stovetop, range top, whatever you want to call that thing.
I didn't know you was waiting for me.
That's why I stopped
Okay,
talking.
say it again.
Okay.
Do it again. I'll be ready this time. I'll for sure be ready. Okay?
Alright. So, Axe is going to go ahead and install us a new stovetop, range top, or whatever you call those things.
Okay, this is our new range top stove. I installed it, and I'm so excited to use it. Our new appliance after I broke the old one. So this time, I promise, guys, I won't break it. We used a broken one for like damn near like a year and a half. So this one's gonna be my baby. More than Malachi is. So this will be my baby. You'll see me with my range top, not him. Okay. So just keep that in mind. Subscribe to see our new range top.
You don't need to subscribe. You already seen it though.
Subscribe to see our meal prepping on our new range top.
So one of the values that Ashley's going to be bringing by being a stay-at-home mom is she's actually going to handle a lot of the meal prep stuff while I'm at work, still grinding out on the 9-to-5 job while we're trying to do this YouTube thing. Hopefully she can do a decent job. Hopefully she can hold up to you guys' standards, and hopefully you guys can do the favor of putting down in the comments below what we can do to improve on the channel and let us know what meals you'd like to see cooked. We're going to be trying to bring you guys all kinds of lean meals as cheap as we can bring them. There will be some things that are a little bit more expensive that we think are like super lean and super worth it, especially if you're on a diet and it's all about implementing certain foods and just keep on eating those certain foods, at least until you build a knowledge base and you fill your fridge with the proper foods. Because after you do that, it's nothing but a thing. Like, there's a lot of times that I'll want to eat like ice cream or something like that, and literally don't have no ice cream in the house, so like I can't eat it.
Eat a pickle.
Yeah, so you eat a pickle.
0 calories.
So, if you stuck around this long in the video, here's something that we can do to bring you some value real quick. We keep the big jars around here of both banana peppers and pickles, and we just snack around on these because they're 0 calorie. Now, a lot of people are probably going to complain about the sodium levels on these because they're super freaking high, but hey, if you're in a diet and you don't care about your sodium levels and you're just overall trying to lose some weight right now, I would definitely promote eating these just because vinegar has a lot of good health benefits to it. The main problem with these is the sodium. There's 0 calorie, maybe 5 calories. Let me see.
This got 5 calories.
Yeah, this has got 5 calories in it.
So not 0 calories, 5.
Yeah, for one spear. So you probably eat this whole entire jar in a day and still be fine. We got 80 servings in here, so whatever 5 times 80 is, that's like 800 calories for the entire jar. You'd probably die from like sodium overdose probably, but so like I probably wouldn't promote doing that. But point being is you can eat this whole entire jar. It's super voluminous.
Eat pickles all day long and banana peppers. Woo!
The jars are not very expensive, maybe like $5-6, something like that. And these pickles will last quite a while. And we like to keep these like right out on the counter, like right in the front center, so that way, that's the snack we go to first. We see it and we're like, oh, a pickle. But if you're hiding it behind stuff, you're not gonna see it, not gonna notice it, and you're not gonna eat it. It's that simple.
And you're gonna eat junk food.
Yep. Back to the whole ice cream topic. You can actually eat ice cream on a daily basis. And I'm going to show you how. And show you how you can stay on top of your macros while still eating ice cream on a daily basis.
That's good.
Boom. Halo top. 280 calories for the whole thing. And 20 grams of protein. So this is not quite my 10-to-1 ratio that I'd like to see, but for ice cream, I don't know how you could expect it to be any better. This is birthday cake flavor. Pretty decent. Tastes really good, actually. But do be cautious of just buying a bunch of these, especially of a singular brand. Now, if you want to buy a bunch of these and get a bunch of different brands, a bunch of different flavors, because it's really kind of crazy. Some of the brands are better than others, and also some of the flavors within a brand. Like, a brand may have like all of them that suck, and then but then they may have like one flavor that tastes good. So definitely keep an eye out for that. There's like high protein ice creams. There's low calorie ice creams. There's different variations. I found that generally most of them that are low calorie don't tend to taste as good. I'd rather have like one that's a higher protein. I think this one claims like it's a light ice cream, so it's saying like it's a lower calorie, but it has a decent amount of protein in it, and you definitely want to compensate that calorie void with proteins versus just having them be an empty calories, mainly because it's going to taste bad. But yeah, this stuff's bomb. Now, I don't know if we can quite put this underneath the Poverty Meal Prep series because they can get pricey. They're anywhere between like $3 to $5 to $6 per carton like this. But if you just started out your diet, and depending on how important your diet is to you, if you're going to be doing like a cheat meal, or if you just wanted to eat one of these, like if you went from smoking cigarettes and you quit smoking cigarettes and you started a diet, you can like replace these with smoking cigarettes and eat one of these a day and be legit, like be completely fine.
Maybe I wasn't looking at the ice cream.
Oh my god. Make sure y'all hit that cellular button. That way, and the notification bell as well. Yeah, hit that notification bell.
Yeah, the ding.
That ding-a-linger. Yeah, hit that. That way, you get notifications like on your phone. Like it actually notifies you. Because if you just subscribe, YouTube does not necessarily put out notifications anymore. So you gotta hit that dingy-ding bell. Get the notifications. Yeah, that way when we're putting out these new Poverty Meal Prep series videos, you can be here to watch them. You can see them as they come out, right?
Right.
And you can also see all the other wacky stuff we put into our life. Our kind of day-to-day, kind of going to try to vlog a little bit more. And we also have some other series coming up we're going to run alongside the Poverty Meal Prep. I'm probably going to try to do, or we're going to probably try to do 2 to 3 videos a week. And the game plan is to do a Poverty Meal Prep, a cutting series, summer shredding series, and then also to do a third one, which will be probably a little bit more behind-the-scenes vlogging, or maybe just some fitness type of educational. It's going to be kind of like a filler video. If it even happens, like there may not even be that third video every single week. We'll attempt to do it when we can do it, but it's not guaranteed. So, yeah.
Catch you later.